So first of all, what is an akiya? Basically means an empty house. And especially down south in Japan or in the countryside, they are everywhere. So it's generally the occupant has died or moved on and the family don't want to be known or found or don't want to inherit the house because they think it'll be a hassle or a burden. So the house just gets left. And there's not a lot of vandalism in Japan. So these houses just basically stay there until they fall down. Okay, so we're climbing Mount Bizan in Tokushima and we found our first akiya of the trip. It was a long way up the hill, so a lot of stairs to get up to there, no road access, but it had just been abandoned maybe 40-ish years ago, and it had a little bit of damage from just wear and tear and plants growing and termites, but it was otherwise unvandalised. Alright, so this is probably not available for sale everywhere. Probably the local government's taken this one over and just haven't been bothered to knock it down.